I like using strips of sandpaper whenever I have to smooth round surfaces or curved parts or turnings when I'm here at the bench. The only problem is with sandpaper, it doesn't take long for that paper backing to wear out and rip long before the sandpaper gets dull. Well, Henry Whitmer of Runnells, Iowa, came up with a great solution. He took a sheet of sandpaper and then applied a strip of some heavy-duty duct tape onto the back of the sandpaper. Then with a ruler and a utility knife, cut the strips to the size that he needs. The sandpaper with the tape on the back is now reinforced and it's going to last a lot longer, so you can use up all the sandpaper. What's nice about this tip is that you can cut the strips to any size or width that you need to match the task at hand. Let's call it a bacon-powered belt sander.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this tip and you want to see more from Woodsmith, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be uploading woodworking videos and tips weekly. And trigger the bell, that way you get notified when we do upload those videos. Any links for plans or supplies we use for these projects will be down in the description. As always, thank you for watching.